So my cousin posted a picture of my aunt, and I look just like my aunt. White hair and all. So anyway, hi everybody. Hi Phyllis, how are you? I guess it's 12 o'clock here. I have no idea what time it is. I got my listings done, so I just wanted to let you know, show you the new ribbon I got in, and that is listed in my shop. And let me pin my shop. So anyway, so how is everybody? Hello again. I was on earlier. I still have to finish that wreath up. I did get some stuff cleaned up down here, so I was happy with that. And I am going to be finishing up that wreath, and then finishing up a project that my sister-in-law is picking up, and then a couple other things. So, and then I'm going to go to bed, I think. So anyway, so how is everybody? I just want to show you some ribbon that came in while I was gone. And like I said, I pinned it in my shop. So first of all, do have a couple more spring things that came in. This is the pastel 2.5 inch, and it does match the pastel 1.5. So those are both listed in my shop. Let me pull you down just a little bit. Hi Arla, how are you? Let me pin you down just a little bit so you can see. That way there's not as much of a glare, I don't think. So anyway, so these two are in the shop. I think I'm going to eventually, in the next few days, get mine out. And I'm going to make just a bow with just the 1.5. So pretty excited about that. But I love these. Look at this. This is a different little pink than even the pink that's in there. So, very, very pretty. And like I said, these have glitter in them in this, and then there's glitter in these as well. But very easy for a combo for your bows, and to do for your projects too. So definitely like that. And then we have some Easter. So this is the truck ribbon and carrots. Love this. And I saw this, and what I immediately thought about even the fancy pants ribbon to go with this, especially this one with the black and white. Those, I like that. And then, what was the other one? Even yellow for that matter. The green not so much, but definitely thought those were good for that. Let's see, and then we got the cottontail ribbon. I don't know why some of those are upside down. Let's fix those. So cottontail, which, you know, these could be mixed and matched as well. Oh, I'm not roasted up yet, but I'll be good. Thanks. So, oops, I just lost my live. There we are. All right, so, so you got the ribbon, you got the truck ribbon with the beige and the carrots in the beige, and then you have the white background along with the clear background, or the white background with the truck. Super cute. The pink, and the pink with the carrots. The purple, and the purple truck, which would go with that sign that I got from Rachel. And then the black check and the black carrots. Super cute. And then you've got the gray with the Swiss dot, the gray check, and the gray check. These are all 2.5 inch. They're all wired, and they're all 10-inch rolls. So, and they are all listed in my shop. So there's some Easter stuff. I don't think very many people have Easter left. You can combine these 2 boxes along with the spring box here. Those would be great to add some glitter in there. We have the fancy pants, 2.5 and 1.5 inch ribbon assortment boxes that match. And actually I got that pig from Santa Marta, so some of that's going to go in that as well. So again, those are all listed in my shop. Some of the other new ones I got for summer is the Bug Assortment Box. So you got your bees, or I'm sorry, your ladybugs, more ladybugs, and I love this ladybug. Can you see this? Isn't this adorable? There's lots of ladybugs. Isn't that cute? Thank you. Thanks for sprinkling. I appreciate it. So a lot of things to make an assortment or a ribbon or use it in your project with the ladybugs. And then the bees. So you got the small bees on the white. This is super cute. I don't know if I've seen this anywhere. This one is cute. I've had some of this. I love this ribbon. It is very good. I love this ribbon as well. Very good ribbon. I've used both of those before. Very good. Good combination for a bow and for your project. Bees and ladybugs, super popular for the summer. I already have a request for a mailbox swag and a bee. So very, very popular. I don't know how many people have these. I do have, it's on back order, but the 1.5 inch as well. So hopefully that'll come in before too terribly long. But a lot of people are running out of ribbon, that's for sure. So, and then the last 2 that I have that are new is the Leopard. I've never actually used the Leopard, but I know it's a big seller, so I went ahead and got it. So again, 2.5 inch, 10-inch rolls, all wired ribbon. And then this is the last of the Patriotic. We will not be getting any more Patriotic in before May. So, and probably not for the rest of the summer. Everything is on order from import. So there's the red, the blue. I love this one. I love this. I have lots of rolls of this. It's so pretty and very shiny. The white's very shiny. You've got your USA. You've got your truck. I love this one with the rickrack. Super pretty. Plain red. And then you got your stars and looks like the flag. Very, very nice. So take a moment to get your Patriotic ribbon so you're stocked up on it. This is all 2.5 inch. I had 1.5 inch and they're all gone. So there's only 5 boxes of these. So only 5. So it's not going to take long for them to be gone. So out of the 2.5 inch boxes, there's only 5 available. So take a moment to, you know, get your list going, okay? And then what I have left from the last shipment, this is the last box of this. Last one of the Farmhouse 1.5 inch. And there are 2 boxes of this one, Farmhouse 2.5 inch. So these are, that's it. So anyway, I just wanted to show you guys the ribbon. I do have another, I'm going to be expanding in the next probably 4 to 6 weeks. So stay tuned to see what we're going to have. And I'm sorry, I need to look up. I'm looking at myself here, so sorry. Let me pull you up a little bit. There we go. So anyway, you will be able to, you know, see some new stuff there. So anyway, take a moment to spread the love and take a moment to check out my shop. I greatly appreciate it, guys. Anyway, if there's anything I could do for you, any questions, please feel free to ask. And I will see you guys later. Have a good night. Thanks, everybody.